Alright, here we are at Silver Lake. Shredded.
Alright everybody, so this past weekend, me and my buddy Charlie went up to Silver Lake, Michigan to pick up his old VW Buggy that he's selling to me. So the whole goal of this weekend was to pick up the old Buggy, go down to his place, swap the motor from his current fiberglass Buggy into this old Buggy, and the motor from this older Buggy into the new fiberglass Buggy. So what we initially did was we went up to Silver Lake, grabbed the Buggy, threw it on the trailer. As you can see here, we were worried that all the bearings and the grease in this trailer were junk, so we just trailered both of those onto a trailer, got those back to his place, made sure we got the old motors running before we tore them out, swapped the motors out, threw it back together, and then I took it back to my place down in southern Michigan. So hopefully you enjoyed the videos coming up, and unfortunately I didn't get to film as much as I would have liked to, but hope you guys enjoy.
Oh, damn it, Donna. Is it plugged on?
Plugged in still.
Oh, man.
Did it just die?
No, I am underglows.
No.
Alright, ready?
Oh yeah, let her rip. So now that we got both of these running, time to take them out and swap them over. And one little tip I got for you, if you are trying to swap motors out between two vehicles, that helped us out a lot, was that as we were unplugging connections, fuel lines, oil pressure sensors, we were labeling those as we went, which made life a lot easier putting this back together. So unfortunately the camera cut out right here, but we were able to actually get the motor pulled out. These old VWs are pretty easy. It's 4 bolts really right onto the transmission, so just take those 4 out, pop them out. Wanted to make sure the motor was running first, that's why we got it started. And now we can swap it to the buggy that I picked up at Silver Lake. So let's get it going.
A little off still. It's better, but it's